Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can break into VIP easily. This is like an easier tutorial rather than jumping up and down near the runway in free play. Just a reminder that I do have it, so I can put on items. I don't know if you can put on items when you break in, but you're just going to stand here like on the table, kind of like place it close to the wall, and you're just going to like rotate yourself like this to face this wall. Select the death drop pose from the pop culture pose pack, do it and move forward and stop the pose, and then do it again here. You're going to want to like rotate it. Actually, we don't really need to, just like death drop and then select the pose again and you're in VIP. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.